Really a wonderful experience today I had Swamiji being at Radha Krishna temple. So when Swamiji says kirtans about Radha Krishna, it really feels connected and it elevates my devotion. And I felt like really fortunate to be here.
Attended Swamiji's Kirtan today. It was very blissful evening. The moment we enter into the temple, the vibes of the Swamiji just lifts our heart into the next level. The spirituality is what we connect with Radha Krishna temple.